Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. So now I can simply go on Facebook, and here you can see this is profile ID on the top, and then the second option is page. So now we can go to Facebook page. Make sure that you have created a Facebook page. Then after that you can go in the page settings. Just you can also go from here, settings and privacy, then click here again, settings. So on the left side here you can see these are different options. Scroll down and here you can find out linked accounts. Click here, and after that here you can see you can link your Instagram account as well as WhatsApp. So simply you can click here, and after that here you can add phone number, and after that send WhatsApp code. So you will get a code on your WhatsApp. So let me check my mobile phone. Now here I can add code. Then after that click here confirm. Scroll down and click here add button. So button is added. Now just you can start creating post, and after that you will see a WhatsApp button. Here you can see under the post. Then after that press the button done. Scroll down and here you can see you can enable or disable these options according to your requirement. In this way you can easily add Instagram on your Facebook.